Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Recently I went to San Diego with my family. It was such a wonderful trip and I stopped by the Fashionphile headquarters in San Diego. So as you know, I bought a lot of stuff from Fashionphile and I'm really excited to see its headquarters. What they call it is a flagship. So they have multiple flagships. I think San Diego is the headquarters, and also they have in New York. I believe they also have another one in Los Angeles. So it was a cool experience. So as I went inside the store, there's a huge Hermes purse in pink, almost like a Lego put together. It was such amazing to see. It's so cool. And then in the store is very chic. I would say it's more of white color, and then they have couches. You as a customer, you go in there, they give you an iPad basically, like you shop online. So they give you iPad. You can browse as much as to, I believe, is 10 bags. You can put in the cart in 10 bags. So you can sit on the couch and then just very casual, and you can take your time. They're not really hurry you, rush you, so you can take your time to pick. The sales associate essay there was really nice. They also first asked my preference. What do I really like and what I really like to buy. So I gave her a couple of options. Mainly, I really want to get some of the Hermes bags. Yes, they do have quite a bit bags. As you can see, I took a few pictures they have Hermes, definitely have all of those Cali's, and then also have Chanel bags, have Birkins, all in a display. Of course, you can buy them as well. And they also have jewelries, watches, so you can also select any of those too. So I keep browsing. I searched a couple of bags. Both of them are Hermes. One is Constance, and then also the other one is a vertical. I have it in my favorite. I can show you. Those are in, that one particularly is in green color, but I tried on was in tan color. It was really cool, kind of a relaxed, unique design, and has a zippers, has also in front little pockets, and then also inside. So I found this really unique, and the size is really good. And then also you can crossbody as well. So it's very versatile. I like the tan color, but not my in the right color or green color I was hopeful for. So I didn't choose. I also look at a couple of Constance. One is really classic gold color with kind of white stitches out, and there's another one is kind of an it's also gold, but really bright. So guess what I choose? Yes, I did buy it. I did buy it. So guess what I choose? 3, 2, 1. Comment down below, what did I choose? Alright, let me show you. Yes, it is the Constance 18 in Epsom. My battery exhausted. But here it is. It's Absence in gold color. 18 Constance. Isn't it pretty? It has those white stitches. I wanted a Togo leather. They don't make Togo leather for Constance, but they do make those Swift leather. Swift leather is very soft, smooth. It's closer to Constance. It's closer to Togo leather, but the Togo leather has a lot of those. It's not fine grain. Swift is more of a fine grain. So you can just open it up right here in the middle. And it's very simple. It's a little, it has a little mirrors here. And then it has this stripe. Let me show you inside. It's very simple. 2 layers, 2 compartments, and then 2. The inside's all full leather as well. And the buckles is really simple. You just put the H line here. It'll close. Let me show you how they look like me. It's a pretty good length. I think the crossbody is a little bit challenging, but it's not as I usually wear at the hip, but it's fine with crossbody like this. It's fine. I really like the color though. Yeah, the sales associate said it's really classic, classical color. So let's try to put some of the my essentials. Can they fit into it? I start to use this pouch now. Just a sidebar. Conversation is like a little makeup pouch you can put in here. Obviously, it's not gonna fit. Forget it. So, wallet. My wallet is already really like tight, so you can line the wallet standing up, the card holder like that. Usually I don't have car key that often, but you know, it's essential. You have to have a car key, house keys, and then you can put your phone in the front pocket, which is easily fit. So now I have pretty full. You can put some makeup, lipstick. I believe you can still fit. It closes pretty well, so it still has some room in here. So here you go. This is in new condition. It has a little bit vintage scratch in front. So when you shop, you really need to looking at these buckles here. Does it have scratches? On the top also don't have scratches either. So it's really in a good condition. So I really like this new bag, and then thank you hubby for gifting me this, and I really love it. For my experience with the San Diego Flagship for Fashionphile, I think it's a really good experience just to see a look around, you know, what is a bag. And they have a rolls of bag in the back. I didn't go there, but I kind of took pictures of it. But have rolls of bags, and the sales associates are very nice. They're very patient because they know you have a lot of selections. So take your time if you get to there. The selections may not be as I'm thinking the selections sometimes may not be as many, I would say, but maybe Kelly and Birkin has a lot of options there. So if you choose those bags, definitely worthwhile to go. But the experience, there's nobody you don't go grab bags. You sit down and then you choose the bags like from the iPad, like I mentioned, and up to 10. So they can grab up to 10 bags for you to look at and then try on. And then once you're done with those, and give those iPad back to the sales associate, and then they'll bring it back to you and you can try it on. So overall experience, thumbs up. Thumbs up. So definitely worth the trip to get there. And also it's very close to Legoland. So if your kids want to go to Legoland, and you can take a trip to shop around, and then that will take up probably I stay there for close to 2 hours to choose bags because it's a lot of bags. So but it's a good experience. So if you want to go there, take your time and then enjoy that. Just take it as a me time, right? Okay, that's it for today. So hopefully you like this video and a little bit sort of a tour of my experience from visiting the San Diego Fashionphile's headquarters, and then also my new bag. Okay, hopefully you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and press that subscribe button. I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.